So here's the email that just came through for the $600. And you can see here that it's got or you can make this layout however you need it to be. And if we just go back to that email, you can see here that we have a Pay Now button. And then you can also register to sign up. And this is where if you register, you can actually set up your wallet and those types of things. So I'm just going to click Pay Now here. And this Pay Now, what it's going to do is it's going to take us out to PayFabric, and you can see that without having to log in or anything like that, it recognizes that we want to pay this invoice. And this is where we can put in our credit card information. And at this point, I'm just going to say confirm and pay. So now we got the payment receipt. We got the payment ID here, payment 11. You can see that a payment has been received against this. So if we go and look at the relationship map, we can see that we have our incoming payment that's been processed. So it's that easy to set up Click to Pay.